Welcome back to Live from the Camper. My name's Tony, and first I showed you how to make that delicious ham. Now I'm going to show you how to make that knock your socks off green bean casserole. The green bean casserole. This is another super easy, super delicious recipe. Get you 1 bag of French fried onions, 1 pound of your favorite sausage, 2 cans of green beans, 1 can of cream of mushroom, some salt, pepper, and a cup of milk. Well, are you ready? Good. Let's get cooking. So go ahead and cut up a pound of your favorite sausage, dump it in there. Drain 2 cans of green beans and dump it in there. Into the pot though, because it doesn't do any good if it's out here. 1 can of cream of mushroom. You need 1 cup of milk. 10-ounce can. So you fill it up to right about there, and that's a cup of milk. Dump in about 3/4 of a cup of the French fried onions. Now you salt and pepper to taste. So I'm going to go with about a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and then when it's done, you can add more. You can never add less, so start off with less. Let's give it a mix. Now this is a base to a delicious recipe. You can add a little Creole seasoning now if you want to spice it up, or a little cayenne pepper, or onions, whatever you want. I like the kiss. Keep it simple, stupid. Sometimes that works out best with the recipe. Isn't that right, Michelle?
Oh yes.
Oh yes. All right, now spread it out a little bit like this, and we're going to bake at 325 degrees for 30 minutes. But after about 15 minutes, open it up and give it a stir. All right, the timer went off. Let's give it a stir. That smells and looks good. And don't forget, it is going to thicken up a little bit as it cools off. All right, after you mix it, spread it out a little bit. Let's dump on some more of those French fried onions. I like it crunchy, so we're going to use the whole bag. Spread it out. Now let's broil it for 2 minutes. All right, the timer went off. That looks perfect. Scoop a little of that casserole out. Because now we're going to put this with that delicious ham. All right, let's give it a try. Get a little bit of green beans and sausage. Oh yeah, that is delicious. You get the smokiness from that sausage, the creaminess from that cream of mushroom soup, the delicious green beans, and then of course the awesome crunch from the French fried onions. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat.